My name is Esther Guardado Alvarenga. I am going to talk about carbon dioxide emission. And in my opinion, CO emissions come from human activities because now it's higher at any point in our history. I say this one because carbon dioxide refers to emission of CO2 from burning, burning oil, coal, Um, and gas energy use. It also enters into atmosphere from burning woods, waste materials, and some industrial process. And this carbon dioxide emissions is increasing very fast. And now it is in the highest level in 15 million years. For example, in 2019, 43.1 billion tons of CO2 from human activity, activities were emitted into the atmosphere. And in relation between atmospheric CO2 levels and climate change is often perceived as controversial subject. And there is not real disagreement among climate change because 90% of scientists fully agree that human activities is clearly responsible for carbon dioxide emissions. In the United States, 50% have the same opinion, but the other 50% thinks that independently of human activity, the CO2 is increasing because of the concentration through Earth's history. And for that reason, rising of CO2 levels, levels are not an issue. This is their opinion. But I think that is really a great issue. And for that reason, I think that the government must help to reduce carbon dioxide emissions. For example, the government can reduce reduce it having laws to control the permission to companies for each ton of CO2 emissions. Also, the taxes rates must be higher to those companies. And industry must unite to develop an effective strategy to reduce the CO2 emissions. And finally, I consider that it is for all of us to build a better world to live. So we must contribute to reduce the CO2 emissions. And I think that if we do not protect our planet now, we are not going to leave a better place to live to the future generations. We must do it now before it is too late.